yesterday we have finished a second chapter or completed second chapter. This chapter is related to the manufacturing technology, in which we have seen lathe machine, drilling machine, joining processes. In joining processes, we have seen arc welding, gas welding, resistance welding, then soldering and brazing. Am I correct? Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One second. Today we will start new chapter, that is thermodynamics. And this chapter, I think you are already familiar with this chapter in 12th science.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it is easy to us to understand the terms from the thermodynamics because you have already studied that, and we take it as a revision type. It means we have to discuss some points from your point of view, from my point of view, and then we will proceed step by step. Okay. So in thermodynamics is a very vast branch, okay, in industries, because where the heat is the very important term related to that thermodynamics. Okay. So thermodynamics, it means that heat or the temperature is in the dynamic condition. When temperature moving from one that energy, temperature is the one form of energy. When it moving from one state to other state, it is the dynamic condition. Okay, so it is happens, or it will give some action or some reflection after changes, or when it in the form of change. Okay, so we have syllabus, that is definition of thermodynamics. Okay, thermodynamic systems, surroundings, universe, types of systems, state of system, properties, that is intensive property, and the
Extensive property.
extensive property. Then thermodynamic equilibrium, process and cycle, then zeroth law of thermodynamics. Okay, then another point in second point in thermodynamics, that is work and forms of work, then heat. First law of thermodynamics, first law applied to flow processes, steady flow process, steady flow energy equation. I think that SFEE, it was not in your previous syllabus, that is in 12th. Okay, so we have one derivation on that steady flow energy equation, and we have to solve some problems on the cyclic process of first law of thermodynamics and on non-cyclic process also. Okay, then we have problems on steady flow energy equations. Okay, these are simple one. We have to do some unit conversions, and we will solve these problems on the steady flow energy equation. Then two more terms are there in third points, that is the limitations of first law. Okay, limitations of first law, and on that limitation, to cover that limitations, two more statements derived, or we can say determined by Kelvin, Planck and Clausius statement. So we can call these two statements as a second law of thermodynamics. Okay, so we have to study this syllabus in this chapter. Okay, get it? So first point, that is you have to write this syllabus. You have to write chapter number 3rd, name of the chapter thermodynamics, and below that you have to write this syllabus. Get it?
Yes, sir.
And then we
Yes,
will
sir.
proceed step by step, one by one term. We will see one by one. So write this syllabus, because see, syllabus is very important to go in direction. आपल्याला कोणत्या डायरेक्शन जायचं आहे हे या सिलेबस वरून कळतं. म्हणून सिलेबस हा खूप महत्वाचा आहे. झालं?
No, sir.
ओके.
झालं सर.
झालं? बाकीच्या सगळ्यांचं झालं? ऑदर्स?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We will move forward. So first thing, in thermodynamics, energy is the very important. So what do you mean energy? Any view?
Emission of heat.
Emission of
Heat.
emission of heat. Okay. Any others?
Capacity of doing work.
Capacity of doing work. Very good. Some others? One more is given in front of you, that is the ability to cause changes. The ability to cause changes. It means if there is some changes in any type of system, or every change, for every change, there is requirement of energy, or energy is the reason for changes. Get it? For example, suppose okay, we will discuss some points so it will clear more, will get more clear. If suppose this is the box, okay, and if I push this box from this side, so what will be the result?
It moves forward.
It moves in this direction. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if I do a very light-weighted box, very lightweight, okay, very lightweight, म्हणजे खूप वजन एकदम कमी असणारा काय किंवा कागदाचं म्हणू आपण, okay, and I start fan from this side. So what will happen?
Box moves forward.
Box will move in forward direction.
Right.
Correct. In both the cases, the box will move in the forward direction. So what is your observation here?
की आपण ज्या
कमी जास्त
साईडने
प्रमाणात असेल.
काय असेल एक जण सांगा म्हणजे माझ्या लक्षात येईल.
त्यांची होणारी डिस्प्लेसमेंट कमी जास्त प्रमाणात असेल ना.
हा, डिस्प्लेसमेंट कमी जास्त असेल पण त्यांचं चेंजेस होईल. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
There should be some changes. Okay. Now it means that if I apply energy from my side, if suppose I am pushing that what we can say block, okay, if I'm pushing this block in the forward direction, it means I am using my energy. Correct? Whatever energy
sir.
I have, I am applying that energy on that box, so it will move in this direction. So I am using energy to move. Listen carefully. हा, तुम्हाला फक्त टर्म शिकवलेले आहेत 12 त्या कशा आहेत ते आपण थोडंसं बघणार आहोत. म्हणजे माझ्या परीने मला जे माहित आहे ते सांगू शकतो. Now here again, if it is moving, what energy says? Energy says ability to cause changes. Ability to cause changes. So here again it will move in this direction. So whether here energy is available or this cause is due to the energy in second case?
No.
Yes or no? So why it is moving from this location? Suppose this is one first location, and when I start fan, this moves in this direction. So why it is moving?
Force.
विंड एनर्जी ऑल्सो एक एनर्जीचा टाइप आहे ना.
या विंड एनर्जी हा एक सुद्धा एनर्जीचा टाइप आहे. म्हणजे अगेन this change happens due to energy. May I say like this?
Yes.
Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if one more block is there, and if I apply JCB for that to move in this direction, okay? So whether this block will move in this direction?
No, sir.
Why? If it is pushed by JCB माहित आहे JCB बघितलाय मोठा JCB असतो येलो कलरचा.
Yes,
हा
sir.
सर, पण ते टच कुठं करत होता त्याला?
आणि तो काय करतोय?
टच नाही ना झाला अजून तिथं.
डायग्राम मध्ये टच नाही झाला का? ठीक आहे, मी टच करतो. आता झाला?
हा, येस सर.
Whether it will move or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It
Fully
means
होतं ना त्याचं.
here again हे पण परत इकडे मूव झाले. It means here again energy will be the cause. Correct? इथं सुद्धा एनर्जी मुळेच ते मूव झालेलं आहे. Now I have one question. So this is one energy. Okay, this is another energy, and this one is the third energy. Listen carefully. Okay, the action or the changes are same here. Whether the changes are different?
No.
No. And these changes are caused due to some energy. So whether these all energies are same or different?
Different, sir.
Energy.
Okay. Whether the energies are different. Now, first question is that whether these energies are same or not. So you say these all energies are different. Okay. So whether the form of energies are different or main energy is different.
Form of energy is different.
Forms of energy are different.
ते
Forms
फक्त
of-
चेंज होतात ना एका फॉर्म मधून दुसऱ्या
एका
फॉर्म
फॉर्म मधून दुसऱ्या फॉर्म मध्ये. व्हेरी गुड, व्हेरी करेक्ट, गुड. सो एनर्जी इज सेम एव्हरीवेअर. ओके, एनर्जी वी कॅन सी इन डिफरंट फॉर्म्स. ओके, एनर्जी ही एकच आहे. कळालं तुम्हाला मला काय सांगायचं? एनर्जी ही काय आहे? एकच आहे, फक्त ती वेगवेगळ्या फॉर्म मध्ये दिसून येते. Get it?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
the energy applied by me, energy applied by that air, and energy applied by this. Okay, this one we call it as 2, this one we call it as 3. Okay, see, these all energies are same, but the phase of that energies are different. Okay, it means जर तुम्ही बहुरूपी बघितला, बहुरूपी
Yes,
म्हणजे
sir.
काय करतो?
हो.
येस सर, बघितला.
चेहऱ्यावरती वेगवेगळे प्रकारचे मास्क लावतो, जेणेकरून तो आपल्याला वेगवेगळा दिसू शकतो. म्हणजे सपोज त्याने असा कुठला तरी पिक्चरचा अभिनेता, समजा शाहरुख खानचा चेहऱ्यावरती मास्क लावला, ओके, त्याच्याप्रमाणे वेशभूषा केली, तर तो शाहरुख खान सारखा दिसेल. बरोबर आहे? त्याने परत थोड्या वेळाने अजून चेंज काय केला, अजून कोणाप्रमाणे जर त्यांनी घेतलं तर तो त्याच्याप्रमाणे दिसेल. बट these all are the faces. Okay, these all are the faces which is appearing to the observer. म्हणजे जे बघणारे आहेत त्यांच्यासाठी ते वेगवेगळे चेहरे दिसतील, but the person behind that faces are same or different.
सेम.
Yeah, he is same. The same thing is happen related to the energy. So for every phases, that is mechanical energy, potential energy, kinetic energy, that all energies are there. But energy is same. These all are the forms of the energy. Have you understood that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. It means that now if suppose I have to push this block. Okay, we are going for next term. इथपर्यंत समजलं सगळ्यांना की एनर्जी ही एकच आहे, ती फक्त कशी असते, वेगवेगळ्या फॉर्म मध्ये असते. ओके, तिचा स्वतःचा असा काही फॉर्म नाही, ती ज्याच्या ज्या ठिकाणी असते, जसे लोकेशन आहे, जशी आहे त्याप्रमाणे ती आपल्याला दिसते किंवा आपण फील करू शकतो, आपण ऑब्झर्व करू शकतो. बट द एनर्जी इज सेम. नाउ इफ आय वॉन्ट टू push this block which is having 20 kg weight, it is possible to push in this direction for me or you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, of course we can push this block because it having weight of 20 kg. If instead of 2 kg, if this block having weight of 200 kg, so what will happen?
No, it is not possible for us.
Yeah, it is not possible to push that block in this direction. Why?
High weight.
Because mass जास्त आहे.
Our energy is less than.
Required. Okay, correct someone. Our energy, whatever energy we have, is less to perform this task. Now, can I increase my energy to push that 200 kg?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. See, it means to increase my energy, what I have to do? I have to eat more. Correct? I have to gain muscle power. Or it is possible only by एनर्जी वाढू दे म्हणून अशी एनर्जी वाढणार आहे का माझी?
No, sir.
इट मीन्स मला दुसऱ्या कुठल्या तरी फॉर्म मध्ये एनर्जी जी अवेलेबल आहे, सी व्हॉट आय एम टॉकिंग, द एनर्जी अवेलेबल इन अनदर फॉर्म, आय हॅव टू टेक इट टू इनक्रीज माय एनर्जी. एम आय राईट?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And when that energy will increase to that sufficient level, then I can push this 200 kg block by some distance. Okay, म्हणजे पूर्वीचे माणसं बघा, एका वेळेला 4, 5, 6 भाकरी खात होते असं म्हणत होते. बरोबर आहे? 4, 5, 6 भाकर खात होते, म्हणजे जेवण करत होते, भरपूर त्यांचा आहार जास्त होता, म्हणजेच त्यांच्याकडे एनर्जी काय होती? जास्त. म्हणून ते एका वेळेला 100 किलोचं पोतं उचलत होते. ओके, त्याच्यानंतर हळूहळू माणसाचा आहार कमी झाला. ठीक आहे, तर आहार कमी झाला म्हणजे त्यांच्यामध्ये असणारी जी एनर्जी आहे ती पण कमी झाली. मग एनर्जी कमी झाली म्हणून 100 किलोचे जे पोते होते ते 50 किलोवरती आणले, कारण 100 किलोचं पोतं कोणाला उचलत नाही. ओके, दिस इज रिलेटेड टू दॅट एनर्जी. ओके, इट मीन्स if I want to increase my energy, I have to use another form of energy to increase my energy. Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now here, in second case, if this is a fan which can move that 100 gram. Okay, this one is the 100 gram, and this is the wind energy, we can say, which can move this 100 gram towards this direction. If I increase this to 300 gram, so what will happen now? That paper box will not move. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
हेवी होत नाही ना? एकदम मी व्यवस्थित सिंपल करून सांगतोय सगळं फोडून. 300 gram weight of that paper box is of 300 gram. So fan cannot move this box in this direction. So if I want to move, now if I want to move this box in this direction, then what I have to do?
More energy consume.
So here I have to increase the speed of fan. Am I correct? Or I have
Yes.
to use bigger fan. To run that bigger fan, I required more electricity. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. It means fan cannot develop energy itself. Fan is the device. Fan is the device which convert energy, but fan cannot generate energy. Similarly, if I want to increase my energy, then I have to take energy from other source. It means I am going to change the form of energy. Correct? I'm not developing myself.
Yes, sir.
Correct? So here, for example, now in third example, it is again same. In third example, it is again same. So here we can observe that energy is changes from one form to other form. But it is not possible for any device to generate, to create energy itself. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Or do you know in any devices or some plants where the energy can be generated itself?
No.
It means energy available, whatever energy available here, or you can say in universe, is same. We can change it from one state to other state, or it will automatically change. Sometimes we artificially change. Okay, for example, fan. इथं फॅनची कॅपॅसिटी वाढवली मी, म्हणजे मी आर्टिफिशियली चेंज केलं. एम आय करेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
फॉर एक्झाम्पल, वादळी वारे वाहतात, समुद्राकडून वादळी वारे वाहतात, कधी कधी मोठे मोठे वादळ येतात. ओके, मग हे वादळ काय माणूस आणतो का?
No. No.
There is also
No.
having some type of energy. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So these one are the natural energies. It is the form of natural energies. Wind is flowing. Wind is flowing. वारं वाहतं. ओके, एका बाजूकडून दुसऱ्या बाजूकडे वाहतं. त्याला काय माणूस सांगतो का तू इकडून तिकडे वाहा?
No, sir. No.
कारण त्याला काय काम नाही म्हणून फिरतोय तो. वाऱ्याला काय काम नाही म्हणून फिरतो का? इट इज द नॅचरल फेनॉमेना. एखाद्या ठिकाणी पोकळी निर्माण झाली, हवेची पोकळी निर्माण झाली, हवेचा दाब निर्माण झाला, तर त्या ठिकाणी दुसरीकडून वारे वाहत असतात. ओके, सो बाय युजिंग दॅट नॅचरल थिंग्स वी कॅन कन्व्हर्ट एनर्जी in the usable form. The devices, that all devices, engineering devices, are the devices which convert, most devices convert that energy, that is energy producing devices, okay, that converts natural energy in the form of useful energies. Correct? धरणामधलं पाणी आहे, धरणामधलं पाणी आहे, त्या धरणामधल्या पाण्यामध्ये जर मी जाऊन बल्ब, आपला जो लाईटचा बल्ब असतो, तो जर धरणामधल्या पाण्यात जाऊन बुडवला तर तो इग्नाइट होईल का?
No, sir.
No, it will not ignite, but it will run on the same energy. मी तुम्हाला पॉवर प्लांट का एक्झाम्पल देतोय, हायड्रोइलेक्ट्रिक, कारण ते आपण बघितलेलं आहे.
तर पवनचक्की.
या पवनचक्की, वाऱ्यात जर मी असा वाऱ्यामध्ये असा जर बल्ब धरून बसलो, असा दिवसभर बसलो किंवा 2 दिवस बसलो, तर तो पेटेल का बल्ब?
नो सर.
किंवा वाऱ्यामध्ये असा मी फॅन धरून बसलो आणि बटन दाबत बसलो, हवेत बसलोय मी बटन दाबत, वेदर इट विल रन?
No, sir.
No,
it
sir.
will not run. It required to run. If I want to run this fan, then I have to convert that energy which is available in the form of wind, in the form of hydroelectric, in the form of tidal energy. Okay, there are so in the form of sun rays. Okay, the available energy is different form, in the different forms. So I have to convert that energy. It means I cannot generate energy. Correct? From that all, we learn that we cannot generate energy, or we cannot vanish also. Okay, we cannot vanish energy. For example, एका छोटीशी रूम आहे, ओके, आणि त्याच्यामध्ये मी बल्ब लावला. आता बघा बरं का मी एक्झाम्पल कसं विचारतोय. हे सगळे ऑब्झर्वेशन्स आहेत आपले, आणि याच्यामध्ये मी एक बल्ब सोडला 100चा. 100 वॅटचा बल्ब माहित आहे तुम्हाला?
येस सर.
हा, मी हा स्विचला जोडला आणि स्विच ऑन केला, म्हणजे इथून करंट इकडे पास व्हायला लागला. मग ती करंट जो आहे तो लाईट एनर्जी मध्ये गेला, बल्ब मध्ये गेला. ओके, आणि बल्ब मध्ये त्याची लाईट तयार झाली. मग ती एनर्जी व्हॅनिशच झाली ना परत.
व्हॅनिश नाही झाली, कन्वर्ट झाली
हा, कशामध्ये कन्वर्ट झाली?
लाईट एनर्जी मध्ये.
हा, लाईट. ठीक आहे, आता इथं लाईट झाली, त्याच्यानंतर कुठे गेली? त्याच्यानंतर व्हॅनिशच झाली ना.
नो.
मग कुठे गेली?
कन्वर्ट झाली कशात तरी.
नो सर, व्हॅनिश झाली.
व्हॅनिश झाली.
No sir, energy is not created
नॉर
nor
बी डिस्ट्रॉयड अँड नॉर बी क्रिएटेड.
हा, हे आपण पाठ केलेलं. मग मला सांगा ना, इथली एनर्जी गेली कुठं?
सर परत विचारू.
ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन झालं सर दुसऱ्या कोणत्या तरी एनर्जी मध्ये.
हा, कोणत्या झाला असेल असं तुम्हाला वाटतं इथं?
इलेक्ट्रिक.
काय?
इट इज इलेक्ट्रिकल.
सर परत सांगा जरा.
हा, माझा क्वेश्चन
Question
असा
सांगा
आहे
परत.
की आपण आतापर्यंत पाठ केलं, एनर्जी नायदर बी क्रिएटेड नॉर बी डिस्ट्रॉयड, इट कॅन बी कन्वर्ट फ्रॉम वन स्टेट टू अदर स्टेट. करेक्ट?
येस सर.
सो वी हॅव सीन अप टू दॅट इथपर्यंत आपण काय बघितलं की एनर्जी आपल्याला जर वाढवायची असेल तर आपण ती आपोआप इटसेल्फ जनरेट नाही करू शकत. त्यासाठी दुसऱ्या फॉर्म मधली एनर्जी आपल्याला घ्यावी लागते.
हो.
ओके, म्हणजे एनर्जी चेंज करू शकतो आपण, मग ते निसर्गात असू द्या किंवा आर्टिफिशियल असू द्या. आणि त्याचप्रमाणे आपण असं पण शिकलो की एनर्जी आपण व्हॅनिश नाही करू शकत,
डिस्ट्रॉय करू शकत नाही. हो.
हा, डिस्ट्रॉय करू शकत नाही. Now my question is here, this is one application suppose, okay, each and everyone have different viewpoints. So if I start, this one is the bulb, 100 watt bulb, this is very small kV, okay, and if I start this bulb, if I start this switch, so electric current start to flow to that bulb and bulb get ignited. It means electrical energy converted to the light energy. Okay, it means that bulb consume some form of energy, some units. After this light, that energy, where that energy goes?
सर जेव्हा बल्ब इग्नाइट होतो तेव्हा त्याने रेडिएशन इमिट करतो, इलेक्ट्रोमॅग्नेटिक वेव्ह इमिट करतो आणि सम अमाउंट ऑफ हीट जनरेट करतो. ती सगळी आजूबाजूच्या ऑब्झर्व्स असतात ते ऑब्झर्व करतात आणि ती दुसऱ्या फॉर्म मध्ये स्टोअर होते. पोटॅशियम एनर्जीच्या फॉर्म मध्ये पुढे जाऊन ती कन्वर्ट होऊन स्टोअर होणार.
Exactly correct. Right. So if you see, after some time, if you insert your hand in that cabin, you can feel heat there. बरोबर, तुम्ही कधी ऑब्झर्व केलंय का बघा?
येस सर.
So that light energy is not get vanish, it is stored in the form of heat. Okay, it is stored in the form of heat. Okay, it means sometimes we cannot see the conversion of energy. Okay, by naked eyes, म्हणजे आपण बऱ्याच वेळा फील करतो पण आपण समजू शकत नाही. It means we cannot vanish the energy. So on that basis, first law of energy, that principle, conversion of energy principle, that is, during an interaction, energy can change from one state to one form to another form, but the energy cannot, energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can be changed from one form to the another form. Correct?
Yes sir.
So we have seen that energy म्हणजे काय आहे? एनर्जी एक असं, एनर्जी म्हणजे सगळीकडे एकसारखी आहे, त्याचे वेगवेगळे फेसेस आहेत, त्याचं असं स्वतःच असं काय अस्तित्व नाही. ओके, पण ते आहे, सगळ्याच्या पाठीमागे तेच आहे. ओके, सगळ्यांच्या पाठीमाग तो डायरेक्टर आहे, पिक्चर मधला डायरेक्टर म्हणून आपण त्याला, जो हिरोला सांगतो असं करायचं आहे तसं करायचं आहे. आपल्याला पिक्चर मध्ये डायरेक्टर दिसतो का? नाही, फक्त काय दिसते आपल्याला? मूवी दिसते, जे काय असेल फायटिंग वगैरे सगळं, पण तो करवून घेणारा कोण आहे? डायरेक्टर आहे. तसं या एनर्जीचं काम आहे. ओके ओके, वी विल मूव्ह फॉरवर्ड. Similarly, energy, here they give an example that when this rock will move on this downward direction, so it will convert from potential energy to kinetic energy. So this is the same again. This man consumes 5 units of energy, and by walking 4 units of energy will out. And 1 unit energy is stored in itself. If the storage of energy goes on, okay, energy can be stored in different forms. See, if you are jogging regularly, if you are exercising regularly, okay, you also storing energy. And some people, if they are only eating some things and they are not exercising, they are also storing energy, but the form of energies are different. Get it or not?
Yes, sir.
Both are storing energies. Both are storing some amount of energy, but the form of energies are different. The people who are exercising, people who are jogging, who are having that type of energy. So this is related to the active persons. And the other form is the form where the energy is stored by eating only. Okay, and they are not exercising and all these things. So they also storing some energy. Okay. Both having energy, but both having different forms of energy. So we can say energy having quality and quantity. Okay, quantity, it means if suppose this is the hot cup of tea, which is having temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. Okay, if our environment temperature we consider 25 degrees Celsius, and if we consider this temperature as a 40 degrees Celsius, and another cup, in another cup, if I put 90 degrees Celsius and environment temperature is same. Okay, so whether the energy transformation is same or different in these two cases. This one is the first case. Have you understood question? This is the first cup. This one is the second cup. In first cup we have tea, which having temperature about 40 degrees Celsius, 40. And one more cup of tea is there, which is having temperature of 90 degrees Celsius. So the intensity of intensity म्हणजे तीव्रता. Intensity of energy transfer will be same or different.
Different.
Where intensity will be high?
90 degrees.
सेकंड केस मध्ये.
Second case मध्ये. Okay. And why it is?
Because intensity is high.
क्वांटिटी जास्त आहे.
No, why intensity is high?
No, sir. Temperature is high.
Okay, temperature is high. If the temperature is high, okay, my question is, okay, we accepted all that. This intensity is more here. Okay, this temperature move fast in the environment. But my question is why?
सेमच असेल.
त्याची जास्त टेंडन्सी असेल ना म्हणजे नॅचरल टेम्परेचरला बरोबर इक्विलिब्रियम मध्ये येण्यासाठी.
इक्विलिब्रियम मध्ये येण्यासाठी
त्याची टेंडन्सी जास्त असेल ना.
टेंडन्सी जास्त आहे किंवा इंटेन्सिटी जास्त आहे, पण का? One more example I will ask you. If suppose this is the metal rod, एक shaft आहे, rod आहे. Okay, त्याला मी इथं टेम्परेचर टेम्परेचर कसं वाढतंय, सपोज 5 डिग्री सेल्सिअस पर मिनिट वाढते. आणि दुसरा एक रॉड आहे, याचं टेम्परेचर हे दिसतंय ना तुम्हाला? रॉड दिसत नाही? हा.
There is flow of energy from higher to lower level.
Yeah, it is, of course. Energy always transfer from higher to lower. Okay, naturally. naturally. If you see AC, then fridge, where energy transfer from lower to higher. Okay, but some devices are created like that. Okay, so here, if this heat is given by 30 degrees Celsius, so at the end, which one will be heated very fast? If the rod having same length, same material, same dimension, all these things.
Second case.
Second one. So why?
More energy
More energy.
supply, more heat supply.
हा हीट सप्लाय तर मोर करतोय आपण, पण तो फास्ट का जाईल पुढे? Why the intensity is more in the second case, in this also, why the intensity is more?
More energy.
More energy. Okay, here we have more energy. We can say here we have more energy in the form of temperature. Here we have less. So can I say here it is due to the potential difference? If the potential difference is high, then the intensity will high. You understood or not? ह्या दोन्ही मधला जर डिफरन्स काढला, इथं 40 डिग्री आणि 25 डिग्री याच्या मधला जर डिफरन्स बघितला तर तो किती डिग्री येतोय?
Yes.
15 डिग्री सेल्सिअस येतो. करेक्ट? आणि जर 90 आणि 25 मधला काढला तर किती येतोय बघा, कॅल्क्युलेशन करून. किती येतोय? तुम्ही पण कच्चे आहे का माझ्यासारखे गणित?
65.
65. So there is difference in the potential difference. Is there a difference in first and second case? Yes, the potential difference is high in second case, so the intensity will high. Correct? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
हा.
त्याच्यामध्ये पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स जास्त असला तर ते जास्त गतीने वाहत येईल. ओके, एखाद्या पाईप मध्ये आपण थोडस 1 लिटर पाणी सोडलं, मोठी पाईप आहे आणि 1 लिटर पाणी सोडलं आणि त्या बाजूला जाण्यासाठी त्याला कमी टाइम लागेल का जास्त टाइम? जर आपण त्याच्याऐवजी 100 लिटर पाणी सोडलं तर जास्त लागेल ना 1 लिटर साठी. इट इज रिलेटेड टू पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स. I want to explain here. It is due to potential difference. Intensity of energy flow. Energy flow कशी होते? It is depends on the potential difference. If the potential difference is low, it will transfer slowly. If the potential difference is high, then it will transfer fast. Okay, generally. Get it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think you have learned all these things in 12th, but your view is different. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have studied that what is meant by energy. Energy is the ability to do work. What is meant by energy conservation? If you ask anyone, म्हणजे जे 12वी झाले सगळ्यांची एनर्जी कॉन्झर्वेशनचा लॉ पार्ट असतो, कारण त्याचे टर्म्स एवढे असे आहेत की त्यात जिभे खाली बसलेले असतात सगळ्यांचे, ते शेवटपर्यंत लक्षात राहतात. कोणालाही विचारा तुम्ही. Next one is the energy. So energy is divided in 2 types. Not divided, that energy contains or available in 2 types. First one is the internal energy and another one is the external energy. Okay. Internal energy and the external energy. We are moving towards thermodynamics. Now there are n number of energies. There are different types, but we are moving towards thermodynamics slowly. So in energy, internal energy and the external energy. The internal energy is present in a system due to molecular motion, arrangement of atomic structure, and its chemical composition. Okay. Now, chemical composition. Chemical composition, it means, for example, petrol or diesel. In IC engine, what we are doing? In IC engine, we ignite or combustion of petrol or diesel takes place and we get some energy. Am I correct? आपण पेट्रोलच का घालतो तिथं? Petrol is the chemical or not? First thing.
Yes.
Yeah, petrol is the chemical, diesel is the chemical, and we observed that, we understood that petrol and diesel or that kerosene having some type of energy which is stored in the form of chemical. Okay, so that
Yeah.
compounds. So if we want to use that energy, okay, if we want to use that energy, we have to convert it. We have to convert it. आता असं होईल का की डिझेलचं डब्यामध्ये तेल घेतलंय आपण एक 10 लिटर आणि ट्रॅक्टरच्या किंवा गाडीच्या मध्ये जाऊन बसलोय आपण, इंजिन मध्ये नाही ओतलं ते, फक्त घेऊन डबा बसलोय आणि ट्रॅक्टर चालू केला, होईल चालू?
No, sir.
No. Why? Because it is in the form of chemical energy and we have to convert it into the mechanical energy to run that tractor or vehicle. Okay, फक्त 1 लिटरची बॉटल असते बिस्लरीची, पेट्रोलची भरली आणि पुढे टाकीच्या वरती ठेवली, टाकीत ओतायची नाही, टाकीवरती ठेवली तर व्हेकल आपली मोटरसायकल चालेल का?
No, sir.
No. So the IC engine, internal combustion engine, is a device which we have designed or the mechanical engineer have designed to convert that chemical energy of petrol, diesel into mechanical energy, which is useful form of energy. Okay, get it?
Yes.
Okay, so IC engine is the example of that chemical energy. Then next one is the atomic energy. So for that, nuclear power plants where the fission reaction takes place on the some atoms like uranium, thorium. Okay, they having in their atoms, they having energy, they stored energy in themselves by bombarding. For example, suppose it is like that, if suppose uranium, if we consider uranium, mostly uraniums are used, I think this is 235 or 233, something like that, I forgot this term. Okay, when we bombard one neutron on that uranium, so we get barium, krypton, then 3 neutron and plus energy due to that fission action. So this energy is stored in that atom, correct? In that atom, that energy is stored. It means this is atomic energy, correct?
Yes, sir.
And we converted energy of petrol and diesel in the mechanical form. It means already energy is available in the form of chemical energy. Get it?
Yes.
Okay, so here we get energy, and that energy in the form of heat which we use to boil the water and we create steam, and that steam we flow on the steam turbine, and by using that we can generate electricity. Okay, and the last form is the molecular internal energy. Okay, so the molecular internal energy, we will see this in next lecture because our time is over. So molecular energy is related to the energy available with molecules. If we consider one substance, okay, if we consider one substance, so that substance, every substance having molecules. So, and every molecule possesses some amount of energy. Okay, but these things we will see in the next lecture. Okay, I will take your attendance. सगळ्यांनी रोल नंबर व्यवस्थित टाकलेत का पहा. रोल नंबर 1 absent. 1 absent आहे. मी फक्त absent जे आहे ते घेतोय तुमच्या पार्टिसिपेंट लिस्ट वरून. Not necessary. Today is the 15th. Three roll number 3 absent. 4, 5, 4, 5, 6 absent, 7 absent, 8 absent. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 absent. 18, 19 absent. 20, 21 absent. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 absent. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 55, 57, 58, absent. 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 61 is absent. I think some students came here to attend offline lectures.
Sir, 33 present.
33. Okay. So I will call absent roll numbers if someone is present. Caliber roll number. Roll number 1, 3, 6, 7, 8, 17, 19, 21, 29, 35, 53, 55, 58, 61. Okay, these are the absent roll numbers. Okay, with this we will stop here. If we got some more lectures today, we will take one another lecture, maybe at last. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you all of you.